Ready to take your stream's branding to the next level with a killer animated logo that screams, "Watch me." First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition. Name it something relevant, like animated logo, and set your desired dimensions, maybe 1920 x 1080 for good quality. Choose your preferred frame rate. 30 frames per second is a good starting point. Set the duration to 510 seconds. Keep it short, sweet, and loopable. Next, import your logo file. You can use a PNG or a vector file, icon AI, or EPS file for best results. The vector file will ensure you have a nice and sharp image, no matter the size. Once imported, drag your logo onto the timeline if needed. Adjust the size and position to fit the composition. Now, let's animate. Select your logo and start by exploring the transform properties. Use the drop-down menu on the left to select the transform options. Experiment with scale, position, rotation, and even opacity to create movement. For instance, in the first few frames, animate the scale from a smaller size to its original setting, or make the logo start fading in. Keyframes are your best friend. Click the stopwatch icon next to a property to set a keyframe. Then move the timeline indicator to a different point in time and adjust that property again. The software will automatically create a smooth transition between the keyframes. Don't be afraid to experiment here. To further enhance your logo, add effects. Explore the Effects and Presets panel. Search for effects like glow, drop shadow, or even turbulent displays for interesting visual elements. Drag and drop these effects onto your logo layer. Adjust the settings for each effect to match your branding and the look you're aiming for. When you're happy with your animation, go to File and Export. Then select Add to Render Queue. In the Render Queue, set your output module to QuickTime and choose a codec that supports transparency, like Animation or ProRes for 1440 for. If you need those transparent backgrounds, this is a must for your streaming software. Then go to the Output to option to define your file destination, then hit Render. Congratulations, you've created an awesome animated logo for your stream. Practice makes perfect. Adjust your animation as needed, and you'll be grabbing your viewers' attention quickly. Now go create something awesome with your own gaming logo. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more streaming tips.